In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a web page in Joomla. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the Joomla interface with ease. Let's dive in and explore the process together. First things first, you'll want to log into your Joomla admin panel. This is where you have access to all the tools you'll need to make changes to your site. Once you're logged in, it's a good idea to go to your site's front end or public view to get a sense of what visitors see when they land on your page. This step will help you identify what kind of content you're dealing with, which will guide how you approach the edits. Now take a moment to assess the page. If it just shows text and images, it's likely created as an article. Articles in Joomla are straightforward text-based pages. If, however, the page features multiple elements like sliders, videos, or forms, it might be constructed using modules. Lastly, if the page sports a custom layout with drag and drop sections, it could be crafted with a page builder such as SP Page Builder, YUU Theme, or Helix. Identifying the type of page will inform the editing process. Most commonly, you'll be working with an article page. To get started with editing an article, navigate to your Joomla admin panel and go to the content section, then select articles. This will display a list of all the articles on your site. Once you're in the articles section, you'll need to find the specific article you want to edit. You can use the search or filter function to locate the article based on its title. After you have found the desired article, click on it to open it up for editing. When the article is open, you'll be greeted with the WYSIWYG editor, which stands for What You See Is What You Get. This tool allows you to make changes to the text, insert images, and modify the content exactly as it will appear on the front end. The editor is intuitive, making it easy to format text, add links, or even insert media to enhance your page. After you've made your changes, the final step is to click the Save and Close button. This action will save your edits and close the editing window, returning you to the list of articles. Your changes will now be live on your website for visitors to see. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to editing a web page in Joomla. Remember, with practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll gain confidence in managing your website content. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.